It's me, and desperate times call for desperate measures. I am using my phone right now, and I am sitting at the other side of my desk with the two big windows here. I put the blinds all the way up. It is raining, still raining. It's just, I did not want to go another day without making a video. First and foremost, thank you so much for you guys, just your outpouring of love to me from my video the other day. I cannot express to you how surprised I am, and how much I appreciate it. I really do. I never want to be that person that, like, you know, does a bunch of crying videos. Thank you so much. You really made me feel loved. It was good for me. It was, I think, therapeutic in a way. I had a good cry the whole day, and I feel good about it. So thank you so much. Today, I'm just gonna do a quick little video just because I have been using some of these products that I got from, well, I told you in my last video, I was gonna go look for this foundation, and it was not easy. Ulta did not have it yet. The next CVS I went to thought they had it, but hadn't put it out yet, and he was not about to go look for it. The next CVS I went to said they didn't have it, so I called one that was way, up the road, and they had it. What I'm talking about is the new Covergirl Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1 foundation, 24-hour wear, full coverage, SPF 18, and I believe it's supposed to be, primer, concealer, and foundation all in one, which is what I do anyway. The colors that I got 842 medium beige. Today I'm wearing, let's see, that's what I'm wearing today. That's the lightest one that I got. Yesterday, and on my Instagram, I will put a picture up here, I was wearing 845 warm beige. The day before that, when I tried to do a tutorial, which was on Monday, I started out with soft honey. I think that they oxidize and get a little bit darker after you put them on, but still the tone is beautiful. The coverage is beautiful. They last beautifully. I have nothing but good stuff to say about it. The only thing is finding your right shade. The lightest medium beige, and then it goes to, this is soft honey. And really, soft honey is just such a beautiful color that I know I'm gonna love this. Sorry, I'm having to figure out where to look. I know I'm gonna love this in the summertime. So I'm gonna keep them all. If I have to mix and match them a little bit, I will. But just like today, even though this started out the slightest bit too light, because I've got some other stuff that I've been loving. I mean, I've been so excited to show you this stuff that it's been really bumming me out that I didn't have the right, there's just nothing like real light. So I encourage you to try those. This is not sponsored by anybody. This is just your friend Lisa telling you the good stuff that's out there. I've had to go to Walmart 2 days. I went Monday and I went Tuesday. Did I go over the weekend? I don't know, but I went Monday because I was gonna fix spaghetti that night. John told me he had all of this stuff, but I needed to get the bread. So it's funny. It's a long story, but he did not get the hamburger meat. Just goes, that whole communication between a man and woman, how we're so different. I talked Will into something else Monday night, and then last night, I had to fix the spaghetti because he did not forget. He was ready for that. So, and then Brooke had a friend over. We all ate. So yesterday I went back to Walmart. So I have been there a lot lately, and I got some things that I want to show you after I show you this makeup. I'm going to save the best for last here. Some of this stuff was from Ulta. Some was from CVS. This is the CoverGirl Instant Wrinkle Blurring Pressed Powder. It's new with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. And the color I got is Soft Sable. And I got this at CVS. So I went up to the counter, and when I looked at it, I thought, that is gonna be too dark. Right there at the counter, I was thinking I didn't wanna get it, but we were already ringing it up, and I thought, maybe it'll be a pretty soft powder eyeshadow if it's too dark. I love this. I love it. I've been using just my regular Wayne Goss brush, and I put this on first for my contour, and then I contour around my jawline with it. And I think this is gonna look a little bit more harsh in the phone, just because the phone is one of the harshest cameras you can use. It will break you down. Anyway, you'll see it, and it's in my pictures, the last 2 sets of pictures from this week. But love it, love it. And I got this bronzer from Covergirl, and it's called Sunset Glitz. And I thought, this is gonna be too, you know, sparkly or whatever, but I love it. First I go in with this, and then I go in with this. Then, don't stop there, I got 2 of their blushes. Both of these just looked so pretty. I bought this one at Ulta. This color is what I have on today. It's called Love Me. How appropriate. I've got on like a Valentine's Day outfit. It just happened accidentally, so I went with it. But so this is what I have on, and it is beautiful. I don't know if you can see like the little tiny bit. I don't know if I'd even call it a shimmer. It's like it's one of those like a glow. Then I saw this one at CVS, and this one is called Sweet Seduction. And this is what I wore, I think the past 2 days. But today, with me wearing pink and everything, I decided to go a little bit lighter, but gorgeous, gorgeous colors. One that's brighter and darker if you have darker skin, and I think you will just love these. Next, you guys, this was such a fluke purchase. And it's like I saw them, I thought, gosh, those look pretty. I mean, even the color schemes, and then I didn't get them. This is when I was doing my last like Walmart video, when I was looking at all the new stuff. And then the other day when I was in there, I just looked at this one. It's these new Revlon shadows. I'm not sure what they're even called. So Fierce. And this one is Tantrum Caprice, number 965. And the reason I got it is because this top color just reminded me of all of those shades, kind of like that Lancome Ooh La La cream shadows from Charlotte Tilbury. So I got this one. I used it in that tutorial thing I tried to do Monday, and loved it. Loved it all day. I can tell you without a doubt it's better with just putting it on with your fingers. Yesterday I tried to do it with a brush. Even a stiff brush isn't as pretty as with your fingers. So today I tried to do that same look that I did the other day with this palette. It is gorgeous. Yesterday I used this one, I think. It's called That's a Dub, and just beautiful colors, that good dark brown. Here, let me swatch. I would swatch them all, but let me just swatch a good one. I haven't used this yet, but, oh, have I? No, but look at that purpley color right there. Just look at that. Okay, so that is the purple, this blue, oh my gosh, this brown, and this cream color. Look at how pretty they are. That top one, oh my gosh, that reminds me of that purple from that Clinique collection that I loved all those years ago. It was right before YouTube, right before I started YouTube, and I think it was called the Stone Violet collection. That is what that's like. I remember now, it was close. That was something like my mom would do. It wasn't Stone Violet, it was Rock Violet. And that collection, oh my gosh, I loved that collection. It was so good. These are just beautiful. I mean, gorgeous. Okay, this one has that. Oh, I wore this one yesterday. If you liked the color on my lid, it was this one. See how it's got like that iridescent to it? I mean, just fabulous. All of them. They're not like cream shadows. This color, I love this. You know, I love that dark green, almost black color, and then of course a tan color. I love those. So next time you go to Walmart or Ulta or CVS or any of those, check out these shadows. And I'm going to be just wearing them. I'm gonna just try some different looks. I realized I don't like, my eyes are so deep set, I don't like a dark shadow on my lid. That's how I accidentally did this look, is because I had done the brown all over. I didn't like it, so I tapped just some of did this color all over, Didn't like it. It was too dark on my lid, so I tapped some of that in the middle, and then I went on the edge with a little bit of this color right here. Beautiful. This would be a good one to start out with, because once I tried this, I went back and got all of them. And then, an oldie but a goodie. My liner is the Wet n Wild. I've enjoyed it. I've worn it every day this week. The only thing that gets me with liquid liners is try not to get them in your lashes, because then it's harder. If it dries and it gets in your lashes, it makes your mascara mess up a little bit. A lot like the Makeup Forever. I think Makeup Forever has one like this, but I've enjoyed it. Lipstick that I have on is actually a little too light, but it's a cheapie. It's the Wet n Wild 605B. It's that like bright white peachy color that I like. And it may not, I don't have any gloss or anything over it, but I had gotten this lip liner. Is this one it? Not Mastermind. I had gotten another one that's too light actually. What's it? It's the other one, Matting Call. That's what it is. And that's what this is. See, it's kind of like a light brown color. I really need some like gloss over it, but the other day when I wore it, I just liked it because it gave me a different look than I've been doing. I've been doing glossy lips and more color on my lips, so I felt like this was kind of like old school. Guys, oh, and I wanted to show you this. I was in Walmart and saw these at the end of an aisle. This scent is amazing. They're so pretty. I was going to get, there was I think 3 different ones, and I thought they were like $9.99, so I was going to get all of them. And I didn't like the other ones as much. It's called Relax. It has lavender, which is always a winner with me, jasmine, and chamomile. This is what really made me get it. It's coconut wax blend. So for those of you that are allergic to the soy wax, I thought you might be able to handle this. Plus, it's just so pretty. Oh my gosh, it has that deepness to it. Oh, it smells so good. Not sponsored, just want to tell you, Colleen just started selling her Protect and Perfect. I have the hardest time with this name. The styling cream that is in that little kit. I used that last night on my hair along with a pump of the Shine Serum. Now until the 31st, if you purchase 2 hair products, that means like that little hair kit, or it could mean like shampoo and conditioner, or these 2 or whatever, you get a free hair towel. It's one of the long microfiber hair towels that I have one and I love it. It's a long towel, plenty big enough for me to put my hair up in. And one thing I like about it is it's microfiber, so it's absorbent, but it's kind of thin, because when I do it, you'll see I can tuck it like right back up in it. So it ends up being kind of like a turban. So I wanted to tell you about that because it's only till the 31st. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got in the clothing department. First is this top, and hoping I can do somewhat of an outfit here. When I got these pants, one of you said, don't forget about putting pink sometimes with red. And when you said that, I was like, yes, this is the perfect shade of red to do the whole pink, you know, combo. So this is a little top from Walmart. I believe it was $6.97, and I think it goes perfect with these pants. I will put a picture of my full outfit. I'm just going to put on some of those Antonio Milani platform shoes. This, I cannot wait to show you this. Okay, first I'm going to tell you something funny about that. You know, I've been loving the pajamas, and we figured out that this house, we feel like it might be a little colder because it's on a slab, a cement slab, and the floors are cold. And so anyway, I have been sleeping with those Nordstrom pajamas. And John said to me the other morning, he said, hey, pajama girl. And he said, I've never seen you sleep in pajamas so much. Hey, Chanel, I see you. And that means, I don't know, it doesn't mean that he necessarily doesn't like them, but it wasn't a compliment. So I wanted to get some new ones, and I just happened to see these at Walmart, and you guys, they are so cute. Here's the top. They remind me of like the old school, like my daddy, I think, had some of these in blue, and he would usually wear the bottoms, and I think he'd put the top on sometime in the morning. They are so soft. I wish you could feel them. I love them. I think they're so cute, and I'm anxious to wear them, but I wanted to show them to you first. I told him, I said, well, I'll go back to my nightgowns, you know, in the summertime. And I saw this one. This is what he likes here. And I just thought that was so pretty. It's got like the wildflower lilies on there. It looks like day lilies. And I just thought it was a really pretty print. Kind of goes with my outfit, doesn't it? This was $9.98. How much was this, Chanel? How much was this, huh? Okay, these were $15. So you cannot beat that. I am going to wear these tonight and I will fill you in, but I cannot imagine that they're not worth $15. I really hope this video turns out. I know the quality is not going to be amazing. Oh, for accessories, I put on my Jenny Bird heart. See how that is like a funky heart? See how good these show, even with like long hair, and the necklace. So Dean Davidson ring, itchy nose, and oh, my Timex watch that has it's Indiglo, and you'll never see it, but it has like a kiss. It's like right there when it lights up, it has like a kiss. You can't see it. But anyway, I thought that would look pretty with this. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you probably tomorrow and Friday for sure. See you then. Bye-bye.